Hello.
Hi.
Smile, smile, smile. Wow. Where'd you come from?
Australia.
Very bad. Welcome to Bali.
Hello. Welcome to Bali.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the restaurant is at the moment, just keep in touch.
Check it out.
Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. And over to today, start from the north part on Garlic Lane or Sahadewa Street until to the south area at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Okay? So if you want to know how this is right at the moment, just make sure watch the video until the end, okay? And let me show you around here. Woo. Yeah, this is Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Welcome back to Garlic Lane Legian Bali. It is quite a long time I don't make video in this area. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists at Garlic Lane Legian Bali today. Very narrow road. Not easy. Halo, apa kabar? Not really busy yet, isn't it? So hot. Oh, so hot. But it's beautiful day. Beautiful weather. Hello. Wow. See? A lot of trees in this area. As we know together, Garlic Lane is the most famous and the most legend area in Legian Bali now. And usually always a lot of tourists doing shopping at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Busy, busy, busy.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Welcome.
How are you,
Make
bro?
some sauce, yeah. Selling pizza, bro.
Oh,
Easy time, man.
a lot of things they're selling here and very good stuff.
Yeah.
Fixed price.
Big price. Yeah.
You can still try mate. Oh, sorry. Hello. How are you? Always good. That's good. Let's see across the street. Wow. Other side was so hot over there. Rame ge.
Hello, everybody.
Rame ge. Oh. Kamu ke tuli rame. Ya rame ri tek pela. Wow. This part is better, not so hot.
The bank is closed, done.
So you can change your money. Wow. They're just reaching. Suriwati over there, Suriwati Hotel. Happy restaurant. Busy over there is good. And across the street we have another famous restaurant we call the local restaurant. You see, always busy over there. Woo. That's good. Busy as always. Cross the street, right side, is $1 man. Mark, $1 man over there. Hello. Ah, beautiful smile. That's good. Oh, sorry. Sorry, brother. Wow. Looks so busy in this here. Bloody cold winter night. Woo. See you again. See you again. Hello. Smile, smile, smile. Momo Spa, don't forget. Just over here, across the street, over there. Momo Spa, you should try when you are in Bali. Okay, let's continue walking at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Wow, busy, busy, busy. And also, a lot of tourists doing shopping there. It's good. Ooh, shopping time. Shopping time. This restaurant, even new, my customers say it's nice and tasty. You should try when you are at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Felix 69 bar. Also Legian bar. Wow, big group. Wow. Hello, welcome to Bali. Sorry, I just made YouTube about update session in Bali. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Where about?
Avoca Beach.
Where is that?
North of Sydney.
North Sydney. Kuma? Near Kuma? Kuma.
No.
Oh, just up
On
north.
the beach.
Oh, I see. Beautiful beach there. I see Gold Coast. Wow.
Many sharks.
Yeah, man. Sydney, Wollongong, Aladala, a lot of shark there. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? You have beautiful smile. Wow, it's good. Wow. They come from up north Sydney. That's good. Well, a lot of trees over there. It's good. Wow. Full of tourists, you see? A lot of tourists doing shopping here. Busy, busy, busy. Wow. Shopping time. A lot of kids, even not school holiday. That's good. Wow, getting busy here. See?
Pardon?
A lot of tourists over there. It's good. Wow, a lot of tourists over here. They're just so good, isn't it?
I got one for regular. There's this guy that has a guy.
Wow. Busy, busy, busy. Busy everywhere. Hello, welcome to Bali. Hello, welcome to Bali, sir. Wow, busy, isn't it? That's good. Really busy.
Marcus for her.
Ada Miko lagi cek matura Miko. Ngita. Wow. Really busy. Garlic Lane is back. Really back. over there. It's good. You see? Shopping. Even in this restaurant. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Been Bali many time before, or first time? You live in here? Retire? That's good. Search again. I just make YouTube. Yeah, because update session in Bali. Because so many customers they want to know how the session at the Bali at the moment. Every single day I make video for update session in Bali. Ya, terima kasih. Enjoy your lunch. Wow, it's good.
Yes, thank you.
They come from Australia and retire in Bali. Hello, how are you? Oh, what is this? Okay guys, so this is our day today at Garlic Lane Legian Bali. So what do you think? Really busy, isn't it? That's good. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Garlic Lane Legian Bali. Thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woo. So busy. So busy. Too busy. Tourists everywhere. That's good.